One of the things I really like about our dealership is that we focus on our happiness, focusing on our guests' happiness and focusing on our teammates' happiness and making a happy culture for our guests as well to come and be a part of.
Working for Toyota is a peace of mind, happiness. Oh, what a feeling. Everyone is happy to help each other and people are more respectful.
I love coming to work and working with my team. All the departments, we just always have each other's back. It's a great environment to work in.
We have a very diverse team. We have a lot of different characters here, different personalities, different ages, of different backgrounds, but we all work together towards the same goal.
We get things done together, we win together, we learn together, and when there's a good team bond and good team chemistry, that reflects on the experience that they give our guests.
I've learned to grow, develop, learn from my peers, my managers.
Started as a sales trainee, worked my way up as a sales consultant, up to assistant manager and now sales manager. It feels amazing. I wouldn't want to work for anyone else.
In my time here, I'm most proud of the personal growth that I've been able to achieve. I wouldn't have got to where I am today without the backing of the dealership and the Toyota brand.
Look, I love working at Toyota because I've been able to bring a bit of myself to it and take a lot of pride in what I do, and so it's somewhere I feel I belong. I love working here.
To me, Toyota means basically my life.
It means 25 years of my life that I've spent at this dealership.
You can't do this for 15 years and keep coming back every day with a smile on your face and putting 110% if you don't love it. So I love it. I wouldn't do anything else.
I've developed personally and I'm really thankful to Toyota for the opportunities I've had.
I plan on working for Toyota for the rest of my career.
It's a very rewarding job. I love it.
There's nothing stronger than the spirit of Toyota.
I love it. It's every day I come in and it's kind of like I'm just spending time with my family. But at the same time, we're all working together to make the dealership work.
To find out more about how you can become a part of the Toyota family in Australia, contact your local Toyota dealership now. Oh, what a feeling. Toyota.